This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make creme brulee crust. Torch sugar in short bursts until it melts and forms a glossy amber shell. Let the caramel rest for a few minutes before serving so it hardens without sweating. I'll guide you through sugar choice, torch technique, and troubleshooting cracked custard or burnt sugar for a perfect contrast between smooth custard and crisp caramel. In this video, I will show how to make creme brulee crust. Choose your sugar based on texture and flavor goals, then measure precisely and sprinkle evenly. I'll explain how superfine sugar gives the most even caramel, while brown sugar adds complexity but needs careful torching. You'll learn simple swaps, how to prevent clumping, and how to adapt sugar choice for small ramekins versus larger custards to get consistent results. In this video, I will show how to make creme brulee crust. Maintain a steady, circular motion with your torch to melt sugar uniformly without burning. Start at low flame and build intensity while keeping the torch 2 to 3 inches from the surface for the best color control. I'll walk you through timing, flame distance, and finishing touches so your caramel is glossy, crisp, and cracks satisfyingly with each.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.